Good morning and welcome back to the Angry Pool Man channel, where we learn how to treat our pool and our pool man. We're here at the Long Lap Pool here, first stop on Tuesday morning, and I just put away the robotic pool cleaner, the Matronics S100, and I don't really think, I think he just put it in. I don't even think he turned it on, but I'm almost going to request that he doesn't even put it in, because I take 10 minutes to put the thing back, and now I still have to Tulsa 90. So here are our chems. We have like a 1.5 high pH, alkalinity, and cyanuric are good. So I'm going to add a tab, because cyanuric is, I don't want to say low, but certainly we have room. And I'm going to, add like a third of a gallon of acid. Okay. So I've already gone around and skimmed the pool. So I'm going to put the helmet cam on, and we'll do a little Tulsa 90 action. Okay. Let's start our vacuuming process. Yeah, this thing wasn't even working, so I don't think the robotic pool cleaner was actually doing anything. It was just there symbolically. So anyway, let's see, let's make sure you guys can see. Yeah, this is an adult house, but I see, like, evidence of crumb stealers. But this pool stays pretty clean and doesn't go through too terribly much chemicals. Doesn't go through that much chlorine, and its salt cell works really well. I didn't mention, but the salt was 2,900, and unfortunately, since it's 6:15 in the morning, I don't have any salt on the truck. I haven't hit the shop yet, so that's okay. We also have a tap feeder here, which, to be honest with you, somebody asked about salt cells, and they were saying, why doesn't that pool have a salt cell? And it's like, well, two reasons. You want to ask the homeowner that question. That's a homeowner question. It's not like the pool man gets to decide, oh yeah, this is going to be a salt pool. Salt pools takes thousands of dollars to install. And when I say thousands, I don't mean like 10, I mean like 2. A couple $1,000s to install a salt cell. And but when you have a salt cell, and when your pool is still, chlorine is the major player. Okay, everyone thinks, oh yeah, I saw my pool man adding chlorine to my salt pool. It's like, yeah, it's because you and your little pee-pee kids went through all of the chlorine this weekend, and your poor pool guy, he has to add liquid to make sure your pool doesn't go cloudy and green. So anyway, to be honest with you, if you guys have been watching long enough, you should know that the only way a pool goes green is by really severe neglect, and that means that we're not staying up on the filter cleans, the filter teardowns. That needs to happen. And a lot of guys in the industry, they do maybe 2 a year, and to me, I want to do at least double that, maybe 5. And that way I'll always ensure that the filtration system of the pool has the capability to filter the water properly. And then on top of it, since I want to do so many, that's why I price my pools the way I do. Okay, so let's go over here with our net, empty our skimmer basket, and we'll add a tab. We'll add salt next week. Okay. I gotta get that guy off. Just drop him in here. Let's check. Put it on like 2.5. Here. Okay. All right. Okay, let's prime her up. I'll just hit quick clean. And... Hey. I don't like spiders. So many spiders. And always remember to charge your Telsa 90. Okay, I feel good about this. This long lap pool is really beautiful. Yeah, I had about a year ago, had a replaster here. There was a huge crack right in the middle. But that's all been fixed, and everything looks really good. I love the tile my homeowner picked. I like that Spanish style. It goes along perfectly with the house. But anyway, we're cleaned up and chemmed up, and we can move on. So that there is a Hayward Navigator, only about 2-3 months out of the box, and that cleaner was at the second Infinity Pool on Friday. Maybe you recognize it. This pool actually has the same interior finish as that pool, but without all the blotchiness. Okay, so, and look at this guy. Now he's doing spins. That's what the Hayward Navigator does. Okay, he's programmed to go left. He is the official cleaner of NASCAR. So the point is that look at him go. Okay, and then on top of it, this guy's been in here. I gave it to the homeowner a week ago. Look at this pool. It's absolutely sparkling clear. I picked up one little tiny thing at the deep end, and the way he's moving around, you know, yeah, he's in the shallow end right now, but I guarantee you he'll make it down here to the deep end and back again. So what is the lesson of the day? Now, this pool had a Pentair Rebel. Homeowner was calling me often saying, hey, a couple days after you leave, the Pentair Rebel just dies and doesn't do anything. Once again, this has been here for a week. He's had his kids watching it. He's had his wife watching this thing, and it has never died on him. So this is, we're gonna do just a clean sweep swap. I'll take the Pentair Rebel and give it to somebody who can use it, and this is gonna stay here. Okay, that being said, this pool has been, it gets used a lot. Okay, peace, rock on. So I added a tab floater a couple weeks ago, and that's doing good. We actually had a 2 here, and that is for, you know, that's a lot for this pool. Okay, they use it every day, and here we are in the middle of the summer. So yeah, I got a Pentair Rebel if someone needs it. And this pool has the right cleaner for it. Let's see, I added nothing. I added a tab to the floater, and the pH was absolutely wonderful. We're cleaned up and chemmed up, and we can move on. Okay, we are here at the Palms, and a couple weeks in a row, there's not too many palms in the Palms. Now that palm frond right there needs to be cut before it goes into my pool, but otherwise it looks really great. Only around 2,900 salt, but we had like a 5 on the chlorine and low pH, so it's vacation time. No one's swimming. So our Hayward Aquanaut 450, or excuse me, no, that is the Hayward pool cleaner. He does a really good job on keeping this pool clean. Okay, we have reached our final pool of the day, the Big Fatty, and Big Fatty's looking really good. The issue that the Big Fatty is experiencing, 2 things. When we use the solar, and this pool has solar, our cleaner is not going to be kind of really doing his thing. So we've rectified it. We got the valve adjusted, and while I need to create realistic expectations for the homeowner here, in that he's only supposed to be running around when the solar is not engaged. When the solar is engaged, you really shouldn't expect him to be running around. With this pool, your pool might differ. Another thing that happened when I got here is you can see the water is up here to its level. Well, it was down to, you know, a couple inches below the tile, and was actually, the pebble was exposed. The homeowner expressed concern about that. Hey, the level is not, you know, it's not the correct level. And I asked, the first question I asked was, did anybody swim last night? And she says, well, I'm not really sure. And it says, well, I said, yes, I think that they actually did. They displaced the water, and that's what, you know, makes the water go down. There is no check valve issue here at this pool. So what I think our solution will be, and what I've done, is I've added a 15-minute egg timer. So at any time, day or night, that the homeowner sees this situation where the pebble is exposed and not properly hydrated like it's supposed to be, they can hit the button, it'll run for 15 minutes, the spa will come up to this level, and then everybody's happy, especially the pool guy. Listen, if you have people who you might call picky or whatever, don't look at them as picky. Look at those people as a level of excellence that you need to adhere to every week, okay? If these people are pointing out things, your deficiencies, then maybe you as a pool man need to step your game up. That being said, guys, there is so much happening on this channel now. So I have created 2 memberships, one for homeowners and one for pool pros. $9.99 for pool pros. You can ask me as many questions as you want. $24.99 for homeowners. You can ask me as many questions as you want. I ostensibly will become your pool guy. Phone numbers, emails, texts, communication, and ultimately it's you who's going to be getting a better pool than, say, you have right now. It's going to be crystal clear. You're going to attain mountain stream status here, baby. So guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you got something to say. I'm the original swimming pool fiduciary working for you guys out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. Guys, be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.